The grey nurse shark of Australia has been listed as critically endangered, resulting from the decline in shark numbers along the east coast of Australia, including southeast Queensland and New South Wales. Grey nose sharks are native to subtropical to cool temperate waters. Growing to about 3 metres in length, they are a migratory species that moves north and south along Australia's east coast. They inhabit inshore areas, namely located around rocky reefs and underwater caves and islands in which aggregations of 5 or more sharks occur. These aggregation sites, such as Fish Rock and Green Island at Southwest Rocks in New South Wales, are most importantly known for the sharks to mate, gestate, and give birth to pups during various times of the year. Historically, the grey nurse shark was hunted for human consumption and other additional purposes. Mistakenly considered a threat to humans, it was continually hunted and killed. Its placid nature made the shark an easy target. Today, threats include accidental capture from recreational and commercial fishing, beach safety nets, and possibly ecotourism. Due to the decline in numbers, a study at key aggregation sites was conducted by the New South Wales Fisheries in 2000. It was discovered that the number of grey nose sharks in New South Wales could be as low as 292. The decline in sightings at these habitual locations is a significant concern. As a result of this, in 2002, the New South Wales Government stated 10 locations of aggregation sites along the east coast of Australia, including Fish Rock and Green Island, as critical habitats under the Fisheries Management Act 1994. This means that no baited hooks are to be fished at these key aggregation sites. Regardless of this conservation status, some habitual sites are not patrolled and therefore bait fishing still continues. As a result, there have been various reports and sightings of sharks with hook and lines protruding from their mouths or were entangled in fishing gear, as well as recreational fishers catching grey nose sharks off key habitual sites. Hooked sharks may appear fine on release, but may die days later due to internal damage from the hook. The grey nose shark can live up to 40 years and are slow to sexually mature, have low fertility, and a lengthy gestation of 9 to 12 months. Hence, only 1 or 2 pups are born every 2 to 3 years. 50% of the grey nose sharks spend their gestation at Wolf Rock in Queensland. It is unknown where the other 50% of pregnant sharks go to gestate, but a research program is in progress to find the missing aggregation sites. Apart from the sharks following conservation statuses, more is needed to protect the grey nose shark from endangerment. This has resulted in the development of the Australian National Recovery Plan for the grey nose shark. There are also a set of guidelines developed for scuba divers to protect the shark's ecosystem and report any tagged sharks. Fishers must also report any accidental captures to the following organisations. The low population rate has also prompted scientists to trial the use of artificial uteruses that will enable up to 20 embryos produced at the one time. We as a community can do the following to protect the grey nose shark.